1. A new poll shows Michelle Obama as the only Democrat who could decisively beat Donald Trump in a hypothetical presidential election, with 50% support for Obama and 39% for Trump. 2. Michelle Obama is widely popular, having maintained high favorability ratings since her time as First Lady, where she launched significant campaigns and maintained a relatable public image. 3. After leaving the White House, she continued to flourish by writing books, giving speeches, signing a Netflix deal, hosting a podcast, and motivating Americans to vote. 4. Despite her popularity, Michelle Obama has never held public office or taken stances on complex or divisive political issues, leading to questions about her potential as a political candidate. 5. Michelle Obama has repeatedly stated she does not want to run for president, although some Democrats continue to hope she might reconsider.